Today, yogis and yoginis, we're going to go over Stork Pose. So you find your best standing alignment with or without a chair. If you're using a chair, the inside leg is how you want to hold on so you don't throw the opposite hip out. You always want to be moving to the middle of our spine. So many different levels. So inhale, arms by your side. Exhale, you can just bring your hands to prayer. You squeeze into your standing leg and lift the heel. Inhale. As we exhale, you can raise your arm up, lift the heel, try to come up, point or flex. Inhale, root down. If you need the chair, exhale, squeezing to the center of the body as we lift up. And the object is to try to keep as solid as can be, keeping that neutral alignment, no bowing, no arching, holding strong. And then we're working on counting breaths. Inhale, exhale. Namaste.